What is a mezzo staccato? That's what we want to answer. So again, let's go back to the different people in the morning. We have the very the sprightly person. That's me. We have my wife. That's maybe just not so early, and we need to give her coffee. Ah, now she has a little coffee. She's not as sprightly as me. You hear the difference between this? That is the sprightly, and this is the person with some coffee. And this is her without coffee. So it's the difference of length in bow. Look really here and concentrate on the length of bow. I'm going to go back to, again, we're looking at the second measure. These are the notes with no modifications. Now we're going to add the little good bit of coffee, yes. A little bit of taper, a little space at the end. It's not so short. And that is the best explanation I can give you today for what a mezzo staccato is. And in this wonderful song, The Happy Farmer, the happy awake farmer.